Hi guys, today I'm going to present my final project. About the original plans, I create a travel website about famous places in Vietnam, about the culture, people, and cuisine in those lands. I will use my knowledge about PHP, HTML, CSS, and database to create a website where people can register, log in, and send contact email, mostly working with PHP. If I have extra time, I also want to create review and comments functions that people can use to leave their comments and praise. There are several websites about Vietnam tourism online already. However, most of them are built by government tourism organizations. Therefore, they are quite tedious and lack of user interaction. About how those plans change with implementation. During the implementation of the project, I follow pretty well the goals and plans that I set out on each week. However, since I don't have too much extra time, I couldn't add review and comment functions for each place. I also plan to have detailed page for each location, dish, and event, but this takes quite a while and I plan to finish those later. About what went well, I feel quite satisfied with the achieved goal of the project. Everything goes according to my plan. The functions work well. I also have more time to design the logo, work with the typography, images, layout. My website is attractive, professional, and user friendly. About what went poorly, one of the difficulties that I encountered was checking the contact form. For some reason, it takes a long time for me to receive the contact email, usually about like 12 hours. I think there's something wrong with the hosting company. I used DreamHost for my website. The problem only appeared recently, but it took me quite a while in testing a contact form. I also have the hard time finding good images and good article for the site. So here is my website. In order to view the site, you have to log in by using your account. You can register a new account by clicking on Register button. If you click on the Register button without filling the form, the red text will appear to ask you to fill out the form. I'm going to create a new username real quick. And now I can use the new username that I just created to log in. Here is the home page that I want to put the slideshow on top to showcase a few wonderful tourist attractions in Vietnam. Below, I put the list of the top 5 you should go to visit in Vietnam. The next page is Places page that I include 20 top tourist attractions in Vietnam. I use a simple layout with beautiful images and a summary paragraph about those plans. For each place, you can click on the image that will link to the detail page, which will show you more about this place. next page is food page that I want to show some best food in Vietnam. This is daily recommended food function that show you different images on each day of the week. After that is the top 10 of Vietnamese dishes you must try. I will add some detailed page for each food at this example I just show you for the places page. And here's the event page which I show the top event to celebrate in Vietnam. And the last page is contact page. The user can use this form to send me an email with a quick survey. If you click on the send button without filling the information, you will see the red text again. I won't show you the testing process again because it takes time, but I will show you the email that I received from the contact form. Here's the contact email that I got with all the user information and comment. You can view my code by clicking on the GitHub link at the footer. It will show you my code for each week. So let's see the final one. The CSS folder includes a CSS style sheet that has all my CSS code for the site. The images folder with all the photos that I use for the site. And the include folder with header, footer, and form.php file. The most important file in my project is the config.php because it includes all my PHP code, such as PHP code for the navigation bar function. And this is the PHP code for the contact form. And the code for the switch pay function that I use for the recommended food for each day of the week. And with each function, and I have the comment at the beginning and at the end, so you can do the code if you need it. About plan for the future, I'm going to find out how to create review and comment function for each play, food, and event. I think those functions will be helpful for people who want to visit my country. About the reflection, I think planning is very important to build a project. A tight plan will save us a lot of time and focus on the important problem that we need to solve. I am quite satisfied with what I have done in this project, and I think it will help me a lot in upcoming projects. Besides, I also had a lot of difficulties in choosing content and images for the website. I think I will spend more time to prepare content and images for the next project. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great final and enjoy the summer. Thank you.